introduce ourselves?
Yeah, if you would, yeah.
Yeah. I'm Peter Harrison from the Morfa Gateway project over in Prestatyn, and this is
Steve Fenner, likewise, involved with Morfa Gateway.
Yeah, so over the last few months really, we've been involved with the Long Forest project, planting the hedgerows. I think we're close to, how far have we done now, Steve? Oh, it feels like a kilometre.
Yeah.
And it's been really good. We've had lots of volunteers coming along, different volunteers each time as well. This week's particularly good because it's half term, so we've got quite a number of kids with us, which is great, getting them involved with the nature and things. A few years ago, not 20 years ago, the whole site was a rubbish tip. So it's been quite a challenge at times. We've been digging the holes and what have you and finding out what's just under the surface. So we've had no treasure yet, unfortunately, but we've had some interesting finds, haven't we, Steve?
We've actually hit a soft spot for the last 30 metres, so easy going for the last stretch.
That's the bonus for today then, isn't it? Yeah. So we have all sorts of people joining us, so there's a poodle now as well. So it's and that's the really good thing about the Morphas. It really is a community asset really to Prestatyn. So we've got the football pitches here where it's half term, so there's a football academy on today, and we're doing this as volunteers here, and that's where the Long Forest project for us is about community and community engagement. And I think it's been great over the years. We're also involved with a thing called Nature for Health, and that's really good because we've had people who've been socially prescribed, if you like, or referred to us to come and work outside to help their mental well-being, and it really has helped. And it's going to be a sense of pride for younger people over the years watching it develop, and then maybe into hedgelaying in years to come. So
I think you've seen for yourself that we've even had people with disablements come along, sit themselves on the floor and do a bit of planting, get involved. Brilliant.
It is fantastic. It's a really good thing.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, and thanks for all your help. I'll do a quick scan of the...
Yeah.
It's really helpful to know, okay. Well, there might be things in there I might